What's up, guys? So let's see 1566 detect pattern of less and repeat k or more times. So given an array of positive integers, find the pattern of length m is repeated k or more times. Okay, so for example, m is 1k3, you can see, so m is a length, k is a number repeated, so you can see that 4, 4, 4, 4, right, consecutive at least 3 times. And for this one is true because 1, 2, 1, 2, 2, 1 is also okay. And for this one, you need to find the length 2. Okay, so let's maybe do this in, as our example. So you can see the 1, 2. If you see if the 1, 2, then 1, 2, right? But this is 1, 3. If you take 2, 1, you get 2, 1, then there's nothing you can check, right? So the answer is false. Also, the brute force idea is very simple, right? So let's say you do array, and let's say you start from I to I plus m, right? This is all the possible answer, right? Let's say you times k, which you just repeated this part k times, and then your criterion is that this guy is the same as you start from I and up to I plus m times k. Okay, so if there exist I such that this equation holds, then you say true. If no such I exists, then you say no. Okay, so this is just n to be length array I, and you can check that the indices must start from n minus m times k plus 1. If I to I plus m times k is the same as I to I plus m times k, the same, you return true, otherwise return false. Also, just a very straightforward solution. Okay, see you guys next videos.